I've always been passionate about the law, and when I was a student at IDEA San Benito, I really wanted something that could engage my interests. So when I was looking for jobs, I found out there was legal studies at IDEA now, and it was great to come back to my schools and see firsthand that kids are getting an experience I always wish I had when I was an IDEA student as well. They do have the opportunities to do things law students are doing, so my juniors have had the opportunity to do LexisNexis, which is something that only law students are doing, or even legal professionals.
It's important because it includes violations such as being searched without a search warrant, without consent, or without probable cause.
Getting ready to compete for our first mock trial, it's something new, it's something that we're all experiencing for the first time together.
Participating in mock trial has helped me overcome my fear of public speaking. I get really nervous when I'm talking in crowds.
What is in question is whether age played a substantial role in that decision. We will show you that it did not.
My job is to show them that there are opportunities out there. This is something that they can do, and if it's not something they actually want to pursue, I help them know that these skills are transferable. That is something, if they want to do engineering, they still have to be analytical. And that is all what legal studies is about, is making sure you can analyze and read and write. They're growing on how to find themselves and what they want to do as well, which is really huge, especially for kids in high school. They are learning their passions through these opportunities that CT Legal Studies is offering.
My name is Abril Guerrero and I am IDEA.
I am Jaden Garmendez and I am IDEA.
I am Jessica Morales and I am IDEA.